Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. It is crunch time. Let me show you what we're working with here. We are going to be putting the flooring in. It is so beautiful. It's called Shaw. It's 100% vinyl. It's very thin. It locks together. It floats across everything. It is pretty tough. I have installed several thousands of feet of this for my customers, and I love it. So this is what we're going to put in the camper. So let's go. I'll show you what's going on. And there it is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's called Hazelnut Maple. It's about $1.98 a square foot. We bought 4 boxes of it and didn't quite use it all, but it is going to be gorgeous. This is where we ran into a little bit of a problem. Some of the pieces in the box were broken, so we had to kind of go through them and try to use the broken ones. I'm probably going to be taking them back, but we're going to try to use the best we can. We're going to set them in the sun where they're warmer, because that's when they're easier to cut. We'll get the handy wife to go through them all and make sure she could separate the good from the bad. Once this stuff is installed, it's really strong. Just when it's in the box, some of the edges get a little bit damaged sometimes the way it gets handled. We're going to do that, and I'll use this broken edge. Yeah, use them. And then we're going to have to rip it down. We'll set the table saw up. Go ahead and mark that. I'll get the table saw set up. Find any good ones?
Oh yeah, all these are good. Dang, you guys act like you know what you're doing.
Don't tell anybody.
I'm telling you.
Our third time doing this, huh?
Yeah. You guys make a good team. I don't have to do anything but sweep.
Sir. Okay, now what do you need down there? We're going to start here.
Probably have to start down there.
Right here?
Yeah, because
Yep.
we're
Going back, yep.
the starter's too short.
Let's start at your end, huh?
That's right.
That's so easy to fix.
Oh, yeah.
flooring. We'll get it herself. And then let's get a longer one.
There's some long ones up here, y'all.
Scraps.
Nope.
No.
There's all berries here on it.
Yeah, let's put this one over here.
Just lay that on there and add to it.
For some reason, there's a little bit of gap on this dresser. We're not going to point any fingers on who framed up this camper, but we're going to have to cut a little bit of an angle on this wood floor. Of course, we'll get it all trimmed out, and once everything's in here, nobody will see it. Tape measure.
What would you do without me?
Just let myself silly.
Have more fun.
Have more fun?
What Nana says.
Okay.
This other end okay?
Yeah, probably need something there too.
We can do it.
Got the littlest guy to crawl out the window to scrape, huh?
Little old man from next door.
Little old man from next door. This window has leaked since I stuck it in because I just shoved 5 or 6 screws in there just to get it out of the way so it wouldn't break, and we're gonna fix it right this time. When we bought this camper, it had a broken window, so we had it replaced. Now, I didn't want this window to break because we weren't ready for it, so we just shoved it in, and I didn't put this butyl tape like we are on now. So we're going to get this all butyl taped up and make sure it does not leak anymore. And who better than Mr. Ed to handle a project like this with his precision taping skills. Now we just pull the top layer off it.
Window, pull it in. Huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to give it a nice gasket sealant. Oops. I don't really know.
It don't open.
This is it don't open. This is the way it was in.
Look here, here's the bottom. What's it saying?
They're the same.
It's either or.
Okay, hold it right there. Put my stainless steel screws in. I want to get me some more stainless steel screws
Oh,
and finish screwing it off. I don't want nothing rusting.
yeah. I got a bunch, but I don't know if they're that little. I got
Yeah.
from Dwight.
Buy a little pack of them.
Oh, all that.
Yeah. There we go. Get some more screws tomorrow and finish screwing that off. Oh hey, how you guys doing? Like my pretty tires? Getting ready to install some brackets for steps so that the handy wife has easier getting time in it. I'm used to 4x4 trucks, so I have no problem jumping in it. But it took me a while to figure out simple brackets, but they marked them for me front right, so I know which one this goes to. These are stock Dodge steps. They came off of another Dodge that I bought from a friend of mine off of Facebook. So we're going to be putting these on today, and let's get to it. This is a bolt for the mounts the body. I don't know what that is, but it's disintegrated, whatever it is. So this goes through here. This goes on top of here and back into here. Okay, I don't want to tighten that down too much because I want to get the step mounted before we bolt this down. Let's go to the back one. Right rear. Get a little creative with this one. Okay. I understand. That supports it. That's pretty cool. Let's put our step. about it. All right, we got everything hooked up. As you can see, the trailer is hooked on. I took it for a drive this morning and everything fell apart on me. The check engine light started coming on. The truck started running really rough. I could not figure out what it was. And after sitting down and thinking about it, remember how I told you guys I'd ordered 2 of those O2 sensors for the upstream, the front ones. And then I found out that I replaced the back one first when I thought it was the up one. I wound up putting those 2 uppers on the left side. And then I bought 2 more for the right side. So what I did is I crawled back underneath there, and as you can see, the new steps, I had to jack the front of the truck up, and because I couldn't crawl under there like I did before, and I removed one of the front right one and the back left one, because the back left one was supposed to go up front. So I put the 2 upstream ones that were supposed to be up there and switched the other one back, ran my coder on again, pulled the battery, reset everything. The thing leveled back out, started running smooth and dreamy. So let's see if we can finally get on the road. Now let me show you inside the camper. It's looking really good. Okay. The bathroom, we've got it cleaned out. We stuck the air conditioner in there for out of the way. There's a compost toilet back there and the cedar chips. So this curtain right here gives you a little bit of privacy. The microwave fits in there perfectly. I had to screw a little block in. Refrigerator fits it awesome. It's nice and snug, and boy, this is going to be nice. It's got its own little freezer too. And then there's the futon. It slides in there really tight, so that's going to be good. So we've got it made up as ready for the bed. We put a blanket over it, so we just got to pack some more stuff in here and see how this thing hauls. It's not completely done. Sometimes you learn more about your camper when you go camping in it. So we're going to see exactly how things are working and see if we need to keep going in the same direction we're going, because you think you got a game plan, and then once you get out camping in it, you realize I didn't need that, or that's in the wrong place, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get camping.